Grabe. Okay, start muna tayo. Ready? 3, 2.
Started new, what's up?
This is
New E! Hello po.
Grabe. Sobrang lakas ng fan chants nyo.
Grabe, nakakagulat. Yes. Nakakagulat.
Kaya nga eh.
Tayo din nagulat, no?
Yeah. Okay, New Days, tinuruan nyo ba yung ibang fandoms?
Parang yes.
Parang yes, no? Okay, so first of all, thank you so much P-Pop Stage for inviting us. Kasi first time namin to, imagine. First time namin lumabas dito and invited pa ako as a host. So maraming salamat po P-Pop Stage. Okay, so without further ado, let's proceed to the next song.
Yes.
This song is called ER. So that's it for our performance. And if you guys want, stay tuned to all our uploads. Don't forget to follow us on our social media platforms at official.newid and official_newid. Last message for our New Days na hindi natulog. We love you guys so much.
Uy, batiin natin sila.
Happy
10th anniversary! Yes, anniversary agad. Sorry, advance ako mag-isip. Sorry. Monthsary pala. Ayan.
Happy Monthsary New Days. So once again, this has been
New E! Maraming salamat po!
I love you too!